All right, what's going on, YouTube fam? But we're back, ready for the London Open. Let me see if anything's moved so far. So far, so good. GJ's had a nice push up early on in London, but nothing just yet. So we are good to jump on. Let me just let you guys know that everyone is on. Antonio, what's going on, man? Good to have you here again. Good to have you here. Let me just get the... Let me just get the screens all set up. Good morning. Peter, what's going on, man? Tassie, Ryad, good to have you guys here. Goldie, ooh, Goldie just liquidating the Asia highs, which is very, very nice. Very, very nice. Right, let's see if we can get some trade today. Remember, guys, I just mentioned the community. Today is the last day of the week, month, year, and quarter. So today is a very volatile day. A lot of profit taking, a lot of balancing out. So you're going to get either choppiness or a lot of volume because there's going to be a lot of profit taking. So we may get some weird moves today. But hey, if we can come in and catch 20, 30 pips and call it a day, then amazing. We'll do that. First live session from Sydney. Good to have you here, man. Good to have you here. Apologies about the delays. We'll just get cracking. How much battery got? 88%. Cool. We've got Zoom. Let's get Zoom up and going and get the guys invited. But I hope you guys have had a good week in the markets. It's been relatively quiet for me. I've only taken about 3 positions this week. So I've been a lot more conservative with the fact that it's given the last few days of the quarter. I haven't been going too crazy. I was watching US last night for some good plays, but the price action just wasn't that great, so I didn't really take anything. So I am looking to catch some nice trades here this morning in London and end the week off with a bang. So hopefully we can take some nice positions together. You can't hear me? Can everyone else hear me? My mic says it's on. Let me know if everyone else can hear me. You guys should be able to hear me. Yeah, we can hear you. Yeah, cool. Nice one. Cool. Loud and clear. Nice one. Thank you, guys. What pairs are we trading? Going to be trading gold and GJ and EJ today. So guys, I'm going to let the community join the Zoom. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. I'm going to grab a drink and then I'll start sharing my charts and start breaking everything down because we could get some nice positions here, especially on pound yen for a potential flip higher. So drop a little like. I'll start sharing my screen in 2 seconds. I'm just going to grab a drink. Share my screen. YouTube fam, what's everyone peeping for today? What are you guys looking at? Before I do all my analysis, let's see if our analysis lines up. What are you guys looking to take today? Oh. Got the cans on that Friday evening. All right. The boys are joining. All right, let me start sharing my screen. Boom. Share my screen. Trading view. Boom. There we are. All right. Let's get cracking. What's going on, guys?
Not much, champ. How are you?
Yeah, all good. Thank you, man. All good.
Yeah, this fuckery that we got on here.
Yeah, man. Gold just taking them highs, which is pretty nice.
Yeah, that's what I was just looking at.
I was hoping to get some nice longs up, but we didn't really grab these lows, so I think we can now come and grab them. Oh, Peter with the views. Peter, turn that off. I don't want to see that. Oh, I just asked you to unmute George. Sorry, I didn't mean to click that, man. Peter, I can't hear you. All I can see is them views. I don't want to see that. I'm joking, man. How are you?
Good, man.
Good. How's life out there?
Yeah, life out here, man. It's amazing weather.
Good.
It's around whereabouts are you? Is it Sydney?
Me, sorry?
Yeah.
I'm in Brisbane, man.
Oh, Brisbane.
Yeah,
Yeah,
boy.
actually it's cooler than Brisbane.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Dubai
Nice.
is actually right now it's cooler than Brisbane.
Yeah, that's surprising.
Because we're pretty much it's around 25, 30.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, love it.
That's sick, man. Looks sick out there. I'd love to come out and visit one time.
No, definitely, man, definitely.
Is it humid over there?
No, man, the heat is different to Brisbane.
Nice.
The heat in Brisbane's like very humid.
Yeah, it's muggy up there, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, like you feel sweaty. But here it's like it's a different hot. It's a hot where, yeah, I mean it's hard to explain. It's just a hot where it's just natural hot. Dry, kind of a dry heat.
Is it kind
So you
of
get
like?
away with it.
Is it kind of like Sydney, like down that way, down New South Wales way?
Sydney is also pretty humid here and there.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just nothing like Australia, man.
Yeah.
It's nothing like Australia.
Yeah.
Good. How long you out for, man? Good few months?
So I'm just here for about 2 weeks.
Oh, nice.
I just had to set up a bank account in my Emirates ID.
Nice.
I'll be back next week, and then I'll be back up here again. Stay for about 6 to 12 months.
Nice, man. Nice. Very nice. Living the life.
Yeah, must come down here, man. It's a different world up here.
Yeah, I imagine it's proper motivating. Like from a business perspective, it looks like the place where you'd like.
When you see buildings like this, and you see the vibes.
Yeah.
You just like I'm in my hotel at the moment, but I've got an office. In Abu Dhabi.
Nice.
And man, like you just get so much more things productive.
Yeah.
You probably take one trade, or you look at the graph and it's not good, and you just walk away and you enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, it's sick, man. That's sick. All right, gold's in this little range. Get a little bit more. Yo, bro, quick question. Where do you learn everything about liquidity trading? Is there a specific person? Because not gonna lie, this strategy makes the most sense to me. I want to learn it all. No, not really. I mean, maybe there's some people that teach it now a little bit more. But for me, price has taken out high or lows before a real move, with just a lot of trial and error. But yeah, it's kind of like a new thing that's jumping around in kind of the retail world. But I've been trading like this for like 3 years. It's just getting stopped out and just being on the wrong side of all the retail traps, you know. Same as when you're trading like third touches or trend lines. I would see in my early days, you know, I'd have a trend line like this, and I would be long in here with my stops below the previous low and getting stopped out before price would run massively in my favor. So just kind of a lot of trial and error and seeing how much price grabs previous lows before a real move, and just kind of adapting that to trend lines like support and resistance liquidity, and fib liquidity as well. So a lot of failing on my own, and getting stopped out before the real moves, and a lot of self fuckery. Do you trade SMC, ICT? I do not. No, I do not. I mean, I guess you could argue that there's some elements of ICT in terms of the liquidity, but I don't trade like ICT or SMC. SMC's analysis paralysis for me. Too much going on. I keep it super simple. Lovely liquidity levels, support and resistance, and that's pretty much it, man. GJ retesting this level for potential flip higher. Yeah, oh, here he is.
Hey.
Here he is.
Just been crying about the rain again,
Ryan, how's it going, man? Good to have you on the stream. Hope you're doing well. AUD USD tanking. How's it going, man?
I shorted gold here.
Oh, look at that. Did you get that liquidity grab?
Yeah.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Got the grab.
Amazing, man. Instant run like 30 plus pip now. Pipperoonies, just like that.
Yeah, that's it.
Good man. Very, very nice. You guys seen that update on E8 that Daniel posted in before?
The extension.
Yeah, man, that's huge.
Is that with
E8 spread is a bit off, man. I almost blew my account because of the spread.
Oh, really?
And the lag from Social Trader. Yeah, I have 2 accounts already from Social Trader.
Oh, interesting. I thought they were quite good.
I'm down to 4. No,
Nice.
Social Trader, I think there's too many people using it now, so it's getting laggy.
Yeah,
Oh shit! Really?
that's interesting. They
So
would.
I think if you have 1 or 2 accounts, you're safe.
Yeah.
But I was running like 6 accounts, and all of them were different spreads, and yeah, and I ended up blowing.
Yeah, that's interesting. So that's more of like a social traders issue than E8, right? Because you had good experience with E8, didn't you, Peter?
Yeah, but E8 spread itself is a bit
shit.
high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got you. They're my next to try.
Yeah, look, definitely E8 is good, man. There's no complaints other than because it's under a cap. So you won't have an issue, but yeah, they no complaints beside a bit of that spread.
Yeah, nice.
Are you funded with MFF or?
No, man, I have an MFF ready to go, and I'm gonna do an E8 probably the same time. I'm kind of steering away from my Forex funds, FTMO. I feel like there's much more out there now.
Correct. True Forex is pretty good too.
True Forex? Why do they ring a bell?
True Forex funds.
Nice to have a look at them. Oh yeah. I've seen these guys before. Nice. So there's so much opportunity, man. The more these funding companies compete and provide good things for the industry, like the better it's gonna get.
That's right. And more than trustworthy, right? Like, because at the end of the day, how they make money is from people who don't pass.
Yeah.
The challenge, right? So that's where the money comes from.
Yeah.
But if there's a lot of people and there's a lot of companies that are out there, you have that option to go to different places, and it just makes all the big ones to try to upgrade their system to make either pay out quicker or whatever it is. Like E8 now, they've made those adjustments to get on board more people.
It's good.
They can keep the challenging happen.
Yeah, it's good.
More competition.
It's the thing. It's a win-win for them because they make money if more people failing. It's a win-win for the people who are actually consistent. So, GJ rejects him pretty hard there.
Oh wow!
Oh, look at that.
Oh my goodness!
Anyone else catch that?
Who else took this?
Bang, and look at that. Literally liquidated the highs. Strong 5-minute. Boom. Oh, I didn't get on the charts quick enough. Very nice.
I'm done for the month, guys.
Amazing, man. Good work. Instant 30-40 pips already, just like that, since grabbing the highs. 50 pips. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's disgusting. Well done, bud.
Yeah, good job, man. Okay, yeah. First time as soon as I've seen you trade. It was my first trade. I was in the automatic clicked. Perfect sense to me watching the streams and recaps. Yeah, Antonio, good shit, man. Keep watching the recaps. I'm gonna try and edit some more from Wednesday over the weekend as well and get that uploaded. But yeah, the more recaps you watch, the more you sit here and watch me trade live, the more it'll click, man. Hope you're well, Aaron. Back for another episode. Good to have you on the stream, man. Good to have you back.
Looking at EU sales earlier, but it just didn't give me an entry.
EU, oh.
Yeah, I know.
A few people have been jumping on EU recently.
In the 5e.
Yeah.
And,
Ooh.
yeah. Level across
Yeah.
there. And
Ah,
I did
for
close
fuck's sake.
below.
Sorry, man. Give me 2 seconds. My girlfriend's locked out.
Let's see that, guys. Whipped.
It's girls in circle now, say $3, but I know channel is $3.04, and get $5 $5 the custody channel.
Anyone else looking at anything?
Sorry, guys.
No, I was just keeping an eye on
EJ, you just click, sorry, I
That's right, man.
didn't get that up.
Yeah, how's EJ looking? I was looking at GJ.
I did delete it.
Oh, nice wick there on EJ. How's that 30-minute looking? It's quite a quick reversal straight back down, but could hold that level, but I don't think we'll fling back up in the next 5 minutes. I'm gonna sneeze.
And us, again, EJ didn't have, you could say you had an entry on the previous 2 5-minute, but it was just too quick by the time you would have written that in.
Yeah.
It just dropped anyway. I had a nice good road coming down there. Marked up. I think I've been. I just got targeted in there.
Let's see. Oh. You guys had some nice Asia trades as well. Some of the boys had some good Asia trades in the community.
It was.
I got fucking hay fever, man.
Hay fever.
Something like that. I got sniffles.
Mm-hmm.
Any ideas on gold? She needs to remember her keys. Yeah, Ben did damn right she does. I'm gonna put my foot down after this call, making me get off my YouTube stream. Any thoughts on gold? Well, gold's just liquidated these highs, which is kind of what I was watching in Asia. So it's now grabbed these highs, had a 5-minute flip there, incredibly bearish, and had a nice drive down. I wasn't on the charts yet, so I couldn't catch that little move. But if we can pull back up, maybe retest some levels, then I think you get shorts down into these lows as well, because prior to a push up, if we're going to have a push up, we need to liquidate the lows. If we're going to have a push down, then we need to liquidate the highs. So we've liquidated the highs. So maybe now you can get a push back down to, retest these levels over here, which come back up here would still be potential 65 pips. So yeah, still a lot of opportunity for me on gold. And it is still respecting the support. Look at this wick, just creating that support around here. So it could give you a pullback, no top wick on this current 5 minutes. So yeah, there's still opportunity on gold. What broker do I use? I use Blueberry Markets. Blueberries. I keep my monies in blueberries.
Blueberry or blueberry?
It's blueberries.
Blueberry.
Nah, it's blueberry. Blueberry.
Is it?
Blueberry. And GJ potentially could have a flip back to the upside, because the hourly was strong. We haven't created any top wick. We kind of got a little stop and reverse there, and we could get a nice potential push. 30 minutes about to close in a couple minutes. If the 30-minute closes back above this level, I would like to long GJ up into some higher time frame highs all the way back up here. Or if we can get the sell, because the 4 hours is looking bearish, then I think we come and grab yesterday's daily low here and tap back into these levels before then going higher. So we need to see how we're going to react in this. This is kind of like a make or break level for GJ. Now, if we're going to break this level, then I'll be shortened down to here. Or if we break back above and retest, then I'll be longed into the highs. So this next 5 minute is going to be very, very interesting. Very interesting. Oh yeah, what news we got today? I think there's US news later on as well.
Later on.
Yeah. Yeah, I stayed up till 1 a.m. last night looking for positions on gold. I got absolutely fuck all.
You did.
Yeah.
And,
USD news, yeah, core PCE. But no, pretty clear day.
I like it. If they can break above, it's all over. Yeah, so.
Nice. Just trapped between in this little level.
Yeah.
G'day guys.
How's it going, man?
Yeah, not bad. So,
Yeah, good, thank you, man. All good.
It's just on the 5 on GJ. I like it.
Yeah.
It's just got that little level right above where that 15 minute is there.
Yeah.
So it could break that and holy cow.
If in the next 30 seconds we do manage to close back above this little resistance here and this level, I would like to look for longs. But if we close in it, I will not trade GJ in this range. We got this support level, false break, fake retest, pushing higher. So if we test it as support and potentially could go long, amazing. But it would have to close back above. And so how's this 5 minute looking? Yeah, 5 minutes. Five minutes hasn't closed above just yet. If you were a risky motherfucker, you could take something like that right now. But I'm not. I'm waiting for a closure.
Gold is just gone.
Yeah, go. Oh yeah, look at that. That was such a clean sell. Damn.
Pete, you still, Peter, is he still in it?
Probably took some
Nah,
point.
I took out at
Good man.
1978, so about 80 pips.
Yeah, amazing.
Only 8 today.
That's an amazing
That's
play.
a huge patch.
Oh man, it could have been 12, man. It could have been 120.
Yeah, huge.
I would take 80 every single day.
Yeah,
of the week.
80 pips on London on the last day of the month and quarter is amazing.
Yeah. Look, I'm actually very surprised. I thought I was going to take 2 or 3 trades today, but managed just to the one, which I'm pretty rapt.
It was so clean. Literally grabbed the highs and just boom, straight down. Very, very clean. Look at 30 minute.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for it to come back up a little bit to go.
Yeah.
Into after 5 minutes, Peter? Or?
Yeah, I think Peter had shorts from up here.
Yeah, I shorted at remember look, it was 1984.
Yeah, nice.
0.227.
Are you like on the 1 minute chart?
Ooh, look at that. Motherfucker.
No, I'm on a 5 to 15.
Oh, yeah.
Good man. Needs to. As soon as we tap into these levels, that's my short target done. I really wanted to pull up and grab some 5 minute highs before I can short. If we close like this and then we can grab that previous 5 minute high and retest these levels, then I will look to short. As long as we don't tap these levels first. So if we can close like this and then maybe do this, then I would look to short into there, which would be still 40 pips.
I'm going to put half risk in with GG.
Oh, nice. Full margin.
Half risk, but full margin, you know?
One of them. We're grabbing that previous 5 minute low, which is nice. So now you could probably get away with stops like there. 12 pips. Full risk, half risk, full margin. It's one of them. Could grab that 15 minute low one more time. Maybe grab that support. Yeah, I want to short gold. It's going to be interesting if this 5 minute closes back above this level, and there's also a stop hunt of the lows. We grab the lows, grab the highs, grab the lows. It'd be interesting if we just continue this range or we get some nice volume. But ideally, we want a nice close of this support like this, fully break the support, quick wick up to grab the previous 5 minute, tap into these levels, and then bam, nice short down into these levels. Higher time frame, where would we look to play it into? Yeah, this level makes the most sense to me. Yeah, huge level.
Would you look at longs as well? Gold, if it behaves in a certain way, or is it just too much downward movement?
How was yesterday's close? Oh, yesterday's close was very nice. Grabbed the previous daily high, pushed up. So this is a nice daily level of, look at this, broke, support, broke, resistance, broke, support, resistance, resistance, broke, support. So as soon as we tap into this level, we kind of need to be positioning ourselves for longs. So yeah, if we don't get the short setup, then as soon as we come into these regions, we'll probably range for, get the same setups again like this, get the liquidity grabs, and then we could be looking for longs. So that could be nice, yeah. But yeah, I would like to ideally short up here, hold a little 20% partial, and then allow that us to be able to take some longs if we can come into these levels and get the right price action. But this is a nice little break of this support. How long you got? Got 35 seconds. So the bodies need to close it, and as soon as we grab this previous 5 minute, I want to short. GJ, GJ could get a nice flip there. You got stop loss of only 12 pips. Very nice. $12 pepperonis. Aaron, what's the difference between a fake out and a liquidity sweep? I feel like they're probably the same thing. I'm not sure if you mean like liquidity grabs I trade, then that's the exact same thing. So this was a fake out. This here was a fake out of this resistance. See, faked out, broke straight back below, retested, pushed lower, and also liquidated that high there. Right, now gold needs to push back up. Yeah, good man. Close body broke the previous body.
Yeah, and this current condor hasn't created a wick at all.
Yeah. Still though, this 5 minute somehow breaks above. I still think we get a quick little retest and then a nice push.
Yeah, but when you want a wick to take that out.
Hey Aaron, do you know whether institutions are able to see our stop losses and take profits?
Nah, no, I don't think so, man. I don't think we're like we're like the smallest fish in the pond. Like we're like so irrelevant to institutions. Like people think like I mean I refer to stop hunts as like the institutions grabbing retail stop hunts, but it's like it's not actually that. Like the the institutions don't give a shit about like 1, 2, 5, 10 lots. They're trading like thousands of lots. So it's just kind of the way that I look at it like this. But like institutions, no, they don't even give a shit about retail traders. Not in the slightest.
Yeah.
I know if you're trading like NAS, you can watch like order flow, but not really for FX. Gold still pushing. Oh yeah, look at that. You would have literally just got triggered in GJ and straight into drawdown. So that was a good cancel.
Yep.
Very good cancel.
I'm gonna write that in the journal actually.
That was good management, man.
Aaron said.
Aaron told me to take full stop loss and go full margin. Now I blew my account.
Yeah. On Friday, took full margin, half risk.
As per mentor's advice.
And how does that make you feel?
Oh, you motherfucker. That's my target. Oh.
Dude, gold is fucking off.
Yeah, man. The only entry was all the way up here. That was the entry. I wasn't on the charts quick enough. But as soon as we grab this high, I want to short it. But we got time. GJ is ranging. What about EJ? How's EJ looking? How's the 30-minute closing EJ? Strong push up. Still rejecting that support though. Hourly still has the potential to flip on EJ, but I would need to see a 5-minute break back above these levels to consider the hourly to flip back up higher. I'm in on GJ. What are you in, man? What are you in? Is that wonky? Yeah.
Is it monkey?
No, wonky. Sorry, that line was being weird. I just made 7.5 mil on my golf course.
Oh, how's it going?
Oh, it's going good, man. Business is booming.
How many holes you got?
About to upgrade to hole 8.
Oh, go on, lad. Once you get to hole 9,
Yeah.
you can hold competitions.
Nice.
Waking up to a message, I'm addicted to this golf game.
I really want GJ to grab the previous 15-minute low before considering longs.
Yeah. Now we do, yeah.
30-minute. Did we grab that low, pushed up? Did we liquidate any real lows? Yeah, we grabbed that low, pushed up. So maybe we can grab this low and potentially push up. He also tapped into this level.
Let's go. Oh, I'm seeing the same. And you know, on this current 5 minute and the 8:25 5-minute candle, is that a double top?
Yes, I think. Well, yeah, it is. But now I'm gonna check a different. No, just grabbed it. Just wicked it out, straight back down, which is very nice. All right, is gold giving us that push back up? Soon as gold, this is nice though. If we can get that push back up, I really want to short gold. But I have to short it before it taps into this level, because as soon as we come into this level, this is where we have to be conservative about potential runs higher, which I don't think we'll get just yet. We've got that new UST news later, but if we can just grab that, yeah.
It's not too clean, but this bit here, I think it could travel through that.
Yeah, 15 minutes nicer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clean.
There's a beauty of a level gone across here.
Yeah, solid. I love how that yesterday literally wicked it out and then ran up higher. This is where I was watching for longs. I was looking for shorts here yesterday. I had a sell stop in yesterday like this, looking for this to run into the lows, and as soon as we pushed back up, I closed it, and then as soon as we broke back above this level, I wanted to see the run up higher, and then as soon as we were starting to throw these wicks, I think at this point I just called it, and then we ranged here and then absolutely broke through.
Jesus.
So yeah, I had sell stops. Sell stops would have hit like 11 pips and it would have run straight back up.
50.
But I didn't get triggered in that, so.
No trigger, no loss.
Exactly. Yeah.
Since a GJ, no trigger, no loss.
Yeah.
Need to get that tattooed on us. Come back to so many tattoos.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you to the tattoo parlor in Thailand when you're drunk and make you get FWA trading on your back or something.
Oh dear Lord.
Sure.
What's the FWA? That's a car. Just accumulate Forex with Aled.
Forex with Aled. Anyone else peeping anything else apart from gold and yen pairs today?
He is kind of yeah. Had a big run this morning though.
I had a loss on EU and then a profit on EU, so I'm happy with that.
Hey, good man. Oh, how about the DAX actually? DAX having a big push. I'm just a bit wary of weird moves today. Oh yeah, it was a lovely little that grab was so nice. Grab, boom.
Sorry, mate. I was just chatting to someone. What'd you say?
That's all right. That's all good, man. No, I was just saying that stop hunt there on EU of these highs and all this resistance was really nice.
Yeah. We'll see that little drop there just before London Open. That's where I took the stop.
Yeah.
And then when it took those 15-minute highs there on that week, I got in there.
Nice.
And targeted the lows.
Yeah, amazing.
The screenshots are in the Discord.
Very nice, man. It's 20 pips. That's great.
Yeah, I caught 18 of them. So.
Good man. That's good.
Lovely. 18 pips.
Got stopped on GJ. Yeah, GJ is grabbing that previous 15-minute low now, which is what we need. We needed to grab this low before we could have a potential push up. But the reason I'm not jumping in longs just yet is because look how that 15-minute pushed up so high, and then this candle here completely engulfed that previous candle. So that shows me that we've come into an instant level of resistance and had a quick sell-off. So you can only really long GJ once you get a 5 or 15-minute closure above this level. Because if you're going long here, you're long in right at resistance. You should be selling at resistance. So and until we close above, only then could I have taken GJ long. So that's what I had to wait for. And now, as long as we trade within this range, I cannot trade GJ. Well, I mean, I can, but I'm not going to. Like, I mean, I could trade it,
Yeah,
but technically I could. All right, I'll do it. All right, so
full
we'll
margin, half risk.
yeah, we'll go full margin, half risk now. Nice 1-to-1, 14 pips. Who's in?
Yeah, half and half.
Open to buy and sell at the same time. One of them's got to win.
Got it, yeah.
Alright, chat, we're up 2 pips. I'm going to close here.
Get them W's in the chat.
Yeah, congrats.
Actually need some likes on the YouTube stream.
Oh, how many likes have we got on the YouTube stream? 21 likes.
I didn't even realize you were live on YouTube.
No wonder we're not getting any volume. Yeah, everyone's forgotten to like the stream. YouTube fam, as soon as you like the stream, gold will wick out this high and then have a 60 pip drop. Rumor has it. We'll grab these highs as soon as we get to like 50 likes, and then we'll probably have a nice 1,000 pip sell off. 22 now. Look at that. Nice, Nick. Very nice.
Nice. How many peeps?
Maybe I gotta like my own stream. Do I have to like my own stream? I think I do.
Don't be like that. Don't be like that.
I have to. I have to.
I have to.
Oh, 35
Mrs.
likes. Look at that. No, she's not.
Just.
No, it's disgraceful.
Wow.
Absolutely disgraceful.
I think she better remember that next time. Get the window and let her in.
You're damn right.
To be
5
fair,
minutes.
you're in home now.
I literally could.
She's back. What a girl. What a beast.
Yeah, it's a sick car.
Not as misses the car that she's got to take that before anyone goes out. And says anything like that.
I'm going to tell you said that.
No, I didn't say it though. Is that X6, yeah?
X6, yeah, BMW X6. It's like twin turbo or some shit. It's fucking well nice.
Oh, did you pick up a new car, Aaron?
No, man, I didn't get mine today. I went there to get it and mine wasn't ready, so my girlfriend picked up hers. She got a new BMW as well.
Hey,
So
nice.
I'm going.
What did you get?
I got a BMW as well. I'll send you a picture, man. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
What is it? A G80?
Lambo? When Lambo, sir?
BMW Hurricane.
Yeah, that's the one.
Happy. Class. That was actually quite funny.
BMW Hurricane. You guys, what do you think? You guys think of the new Lambo? I think it's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
I think it's fun.
You love a Lambo the way.
I think I prefer a McLaren. You know.
Oh yeah. You do like a McLaren.
I think it's a tough one, but I think I prefer McLaren.
I love the new one. Have you seen the new one, the hybrid?
The new McLaren?
720S.
No, let me see. Let me see.
Get it up on screen.
Yeah, where is it?
I have a soft spot for hard top convertibles. I think.
Yeah,
It's
me
just-
too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright for me. It's alright.
Oh yeah, the new McLaren's cool.
V10 R8. Oh, thank you very much, sir.
I loved R8 till I came to Australia. Fucking well expensive here. You could pick
What's
up.
the petrol like over there?
Actually, I have no idea. I think it's probably pretty pricey.
You picked up a beast of a car and you don't even.
I've not got to that stage yet. 3 pip car.
Oh my god.
What did you ask? What insurance is like?
No petrol.
Uh,
I don't know how much petrol.
is yours diesel or petrol?
No, mine's petrol, man. Yeah.
This is still 140 over here, eh?
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Speaking of petrol, let's have a look at
He's starting to go for a reason now.
Oh, look at that.
Am I gonna have to cancel this order?
I'm texting the dealership as we speak. Let me send it to you, man. Do you go live every day? Yeah, in the community live every day, but on YouTube only every Wednesday and Friday. Every Wednesday and Friday.
Send the car photo in the group chat. I want to see it as well.
Oh, it's coming. Don't you worry.
Beauty.
It's coming, all right. She sounds naughty as well.
You just... I'm definitely going to hear you say that in Thailand.
What did I say?
It's coming, don't you worry.
I was supposed to be picking up today. I was fucking gutted. Alright, send them. There you go.
There she is. Oh, that's nice.
Piece of shit.
I fucking wish. Let me send you actual photos.
George, where are you living now?
In Australia.
Nice, Blake.
You serious?
Yeah. Bitch, well.
Best decision.
Oh, no.
Alad, another reason to get out.
Alan actually converted me.
You can try for 3 years with me. Are you actually Oz? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in Melbourne.
Oh, nice.
Oz is the place to be, man.
Yeah, it is nice because the trading time's in the evening, so it's
Yeah,
like
fucking
goes to
amazing.
work and then finish.
Oh, shit. Oh, have you have you got a visa or something over there, have you? Or?
Yeah, I'm on a working holiday visa, but I'm on my well, I actually got a free visa because I was out here before work holiday. Yeah, I got affected by COVID, so they gave me a free one.
That's so decent.
Oh, sweet. Oh, happy days.
Yeah.
Gold.
Yeah, it's so easy to trade now, like with it being in the evening.
Yeah, it's sick here.
We better be putting that sideways. Send some videos.
Oh, absolutely. It sounds so naughty. I'll send you a video when I pick it up.
Tree or something.
Absolutely.
Beauty.
Fucking quality.
DJ's done a double bottom on the 15 minutes.
Is it? Oh, look at that. GJ. Grab the support. Have a nice little run up. Hey, who took that signal? I said. Full margin one. I said this. Hit 9 pips.
I only went half risk.
Half risk, full margin though, yeah?
Yeah.
Good man.
Yeah.
Good man.
Oh, I don't know. I think it comes down again.
Yeah, I think so as well. I don't trust this.
No, it's your level there. Is how you doing the double bottom.
Look at that owly. Run up, little pre-London fake out, straight back down. Gold, yeah, gold looking fucking juicy, man. Just give me a pullback and I'll short this motherfucker. My YouTube shows 45 likes. Oh, we better be. What have I got? Mine says 44. Who unliked? Whoever unliked? Not fair.
Suck him, man.
Yeah, you heard it here first.
What are you guys saying about EJ?
Maybe is EJ nicer than GJ? Maybe it is. I like if we had respected like here after this and flipped higher, I would have loved to have looked for longs there, but I don't like to sound like a broken record, but now that we trade within this range, it's kind of in a place where I don't really want to touch it. It was looking so promising, like this really nice run up, quick little pullbacks and continuation, but now we broke back within this range. It's a bit of a shit range, to be honest. Like it's not like the clean. It's kind of this is kind of what we've had all week, to be honest. So the 15-minute is still throwing nice wicks though, which is nice. And the 15-minute now is grabbing the previous 15. So, I mean, technically we are still respecting this level. I kind of would have it here though. See, body's respected there. I'm just looking here. I'm looking left. I'm seeing Resistance broken, quick support, flip up. They're the moves we want. You got a break above, straight back below, nice fake out. Resistance, support, resistance, resistance, break above, support. So if we could get a closure back above here and get a quick little retest, something like this, I would love to play that. But the 4 hourly is making me a bit scared as well. I don't really like that 4 hour.
I've got the Razzie and G.
Oh yeah, the highs that I was looking to be taken on EJ's already liquidated them highs. Look at that. EJ's grabbed that high, solid push down. So it's like, okay, cool. Are we going to get a flip lower? Maybe. But anyway, as soon as we get into these levels, this is where it just starts to get a little bit shit, unfortunately. Even though this is kind of what we've had to deal with all week, really. Apart from Monday. Monday was kind of the nice quick trade that we had, and then since Monday, we've kind of just been stuck in these little ranges.
Oh, Two break evens and 1 loss this week.
2 break evens and 1 loss. That's good, man.
Yep. That is my week, but I was a bit AWOL at the start of the week. I was finding light in myself.
I've only taken 3 trades this week, which is not a lot for our intraday. It's probably the quietest week we've had all month.
Yeah.
We've had some fucking bangers this month though. I'm very happy with this month's performance. That's been very good.
This gold trade just now is fucking awesome.
Did you catch it?
Yeah, I'm still
good man.
20% runner still. I'm trying to play it down into
Good man.
1971.6.
Yeah, that's banging, man. Where did you get short from? Up here?
Yeah, literally right under there.
Yeah, it's
stops.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing play, man. Amazing. What you just hit? You just hit like 60 pips. That's banging. That's the only trade that I've seen this morning that makes sense. That was fucking clean. Grabbed the highs, 5 minute, broke the level, solid bearish. Sells below that low, stops maybe even above. They don't have to be greedy. Above there, amazing. Bang and play. How much is it to join your Zoom calls every day? Just £75 a month if you want to join the community. You get the Zoom calls, full trading course strategy, all that good shit. Do I swing trade now? Not as much, to be honest. I haven't opened a new swing trade in a while, just because I've been loving intraday trading so much recently, and the markets have been more suited to intraday trading. Because if you look at, like, let's take a look at a pair that I love to swing trade a lot. GJ on the daily has been in this range since February, and I mean even here we've been in this like whole range, trading between these levels for a long time on GJ. So I haven't really been looking to trade it. I haven't been looking to open many swing trading positions, but it's been nice because it's allowed me to adapt this style a lot more, and it's been a game changer for me, honestly. So now I don't really open too many swing trades anymore. I will though. I definitely will when the markets are more suited to it. But I've adapted a lot, and it's been a whole new ball game for me. I'm fucking loving it.
Yeah. Likewise.
But it will still be my bread and butter. Swing trading will always be my bread and butter. Which days and trading session is best to trade US30 and NAS? I don't know about days, but session, you obviously want to trade it in the US session. So that's when you get the most volume. Would you share how many lots you guys trade? It's always different, man. It's always different. Depends on the account size we're trading, but I mean, typically staying in between 1 to 3% risk.
I don't like when gurus say stick to one lot size. It's like it fucking depends on the trade.
Yeah,
it does.
So often it pisses me off.
Yeah, it's stupid, man. Like a lot of fake gurus will show their pip profits as well. Like they'd be like, oh yeah, I just made like 100 pips, but it's like, yeah, if you closed most of your position at like 20 pips, then you haven't made 100 pips with full size position. So yeah, anyone can hold like a little lot and let like a small lot run and be like, oh my god, I just made 100 pips. But it's like, that's not relatable. How much percent did you make? How much percent did you risk? That's the way you got to talk. Tracking pips means absolutely nothing to any potential investors or anything like that. It means absolutely nothing.
Only 2 people I know that calculate the actually, like, when you take your position off, like 80%, then you calculate.
Yeah.
There's only 2 people I know who does that.
That's the best way to do it. If you want to track pips, that's the way you have to do it. Like,
you're obviously one of
them. But you would have had to enter so early on this gold trend before the 5-minute close. No, if I was on the charts, I just unfortunately was a little bit late to the party today. I would have, I would have waited for that 5-minute to flip bearish after liquidating the highs, so you get the liquidity grab confirmed. And then pretty much anywhere here, I'm looking for short somewhere like that and playing it. I'll probably play it just down into these lows, and that's good enough for me. Or maybe just down into these lows, 30 pips. But yeah, as soon as we grab the highs, the next candle needs to flip bearish to confirm and break back below this little level here. See, like this? Very nice level here. You got resistance, fake out, resistance, drop lower, resistance, fake out, resistance, resistance. So resistance again, just look left, bam, amazing. I wouldn't have taken the retest entry because I don't take them anymore. I would have taken something like this. And then boom, that was picture perfect, honestly. Fucking amazing setup.
Gold can break this.
I really want it to. I still think we grab this. Oh yeah, hourly just closed nice. Let's assess. I still think we grab this before going lower. I'm pretty confident in that. Oh yeah, that hourly. Look at that. That's fucking beautiful. How's that hourly on GJ? Oh, GJ could get some sells here. Oh, he's still not broken that support, motherfucker.
I still want GJ to take that. Overload though, like 164745.
Yeah, I don't feel comfortable shorting that with a stop there.
No. To me, that's just obvious it's going to take out.
Yeah. I agree, man. I agree. Gold, though. As soon as gold grabs this little level, I'm going to look for some shorts. Is there any discount on your course, please, man? No, man. No discounts. It's already way underpriced for what it is. It's only £75 a month for everything. It's the most undervalued and most valuable trading course out there. You will never find anything in my course that you've seen elsewhere. That I guarantee you.
Underpriced and overvalued.
100%. Well, did I say the opposite?
Yeah, you're like undervalued, and my English isn't the best.
Yeah, whatever Alan just said.
If you use Ali 10, you all gain a bit of a joke on it.
And yeah, there's no upselling of any bullshit like these other communities. People will charge you to access the community and they'll upsell you on some other course bullshit. None of that crap. My income is from trading, not from the community. Can we buy a service if we live in the US? Yeah, absolutely, man. There's loads of people in the US part of the community.
You bitch.
What have you done? Oh, there's gold.
No, you.
Me?
Yeah.
What have I done? Gold has hit our target. Motherfucker. Good job, Peter and Kane, for catching that. It was an absolute banger of a position. Yeah. Huge.
Couldn't have done it without the support of my fans.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Come on. Easy, man. See you soon. Take it easy, man. Enjoy your weekend.
See you, bud.
Yeah,
See you, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, look at that. Instant bounce off that support. This is the level where we could reverse from, because the hourly, I mean, I'm not going to trade against that hourly, but the hourly, this is a very, very key level.
You know, that hourly, is that like, I don't think there's a wick to the upside at all.
No,
That
it was,
dropped.
yeah. That's why I kind of still want to short, because it was just straight, liquidate the highs, bam.
Oh, okay, maybe there's a wick.
Oh yeah, there is actually a little wiki. I thought it was straight. Calculate gold pips.
Oh my god, GJ.
Oh, what's GJ doing? Pump.
Holy
Oh, motherfucker. Cunt.
shit. No way, like.
Oh, that'd be 30 pips. Damn. Stops there.
I would have always thought that would have been taken out.
Yeah, it's not. It's pushed down, but this I think this is the funny moves that we're gonna get, because it's the last day of the month. Like, I personally couldn't short it until we closed below this support. Personally. Holy shit! Is EJ gone as well? I assume it has. Yeah, look at that. Oh, EJ did it, Alice.
Oh, it did.
Look at that. EJ did exactly that. We need to fucking stop watching GJ. There's 30 pips. I honestly might have to start transitioning just from EJ, you know. EJ's given the bank. EJ liquidated the higher time frame highs, and then liquidated the intraday highs. Fuck, man.
There was the German unemployment change like 10 minutes ago.
Oh, was there now? Oh, okay, maybe I wouldn't have taken it.
It was on the investing.com. It was like the median, the 2 out of 3.
Oh, yeah. CPI estimate. German unemployment change, yeah.
What a beauty.
And it's EU news in 45 minutes.
Yeah, good spot, man. I just saw that as well. Do you ever trade open 5-minute candles? Or are you always waiting for closure? Yeah, I'll trade like the where is that? I'll trade like the open of the closures of the candles. Sorry, if we've already broken the level of support or resistance. Only then will I trade it. Like, for instance, now you could trade this open candle because this candle has fully broken the support. 15. Did the 15 liquidate the lows? Ooh. See there, look at that. We're straight back up. But to be fair, I would have taken profit already. I'd be out.
Yeah.
Fucking right, I'd be out.
100%. Yeah. But it's only coming back to retest that level there, though.
Gold could have a little push higher. Oh fuck. Stops would be around 18 pips. Potential drive back up into here. Let me see.
You won't.
Alright, I'll do it. Thoughts on gold at that resistance? Yeah, Ron, very nice spot. Because that's the thing, this is the level that we had to tap into before going higher. This 5 minutes just grabbed these previous 5-minute lows. 5 minutes, that 5 minutes just closed really nice. Obviously the hourly is incredibly bearish, so it's an aggressive trade because it would be more of a pullback trade. But even if gold pulls back up to, you just retest these levels, you got 35 pips there. That's fucking amazing. I don't have it in just yet though. How long we got? We got 2 more minutes till this 5-minute candle. Let me just get the demo account up. I'm just gonna draw it up ready just in case. That's my trading view. My MT4 being weird. So stop.
What I do like about this 5 minute is it's a flush candle to the upside.
Yeah, it's really clean. And I probably have stops maybe around here. If I was going to take it though, I would be I would go half risk just because it's an aggressive trade. So you're half risk, you're risking 10 pips maybe. I'm not putting it in just yet. So I'd have stops maybe, so somewhere around here.
It's gone. On your broker, it's gone.
Hey,
On the broker, it's gone.
on mine it hasn't grabbed the high just yet. Oh, there you go, just grabbed it.
Yeah.
And stop. You could probably have stops here now. Stops you could have 15 pips below the low now at like half risk, like risking 7 pips. But the thing is, it's just a bit like we're just kind of predicting that it has to break above this level. Like I have to be break even the second that it grabs this high, which is only 16 pips like this. So I'm not in this just yet personally. I'm just gonna sit on my hands a little bit. Blake's selling signals to other people. Blake's charging on the door to join my community.
I don't know where she's blown kisses.
Hey, let me put you guys on that speaker.
Have they paid their subscription, Blake?
Yeah.
I'm just helping him out. I don't know. I should get a
Oh, motherfucker. This is pushed now.
It went on my broker, eh?
Did it? It's not pushed on mine.
Yeah,
Did
it
you?
done.
Oh, yeah, it has now, yeah. Did you? Are you in? Did you take it?
No, it went.
I'm not in. I'm not in just yet.
So, when it closes like this, like that, pull back, please.
Yeah, pull back and I'll look to long this because that's a nice 5 minute.
Then I'll go.
Yeah.
Just that resistance there that kind of turned me off it.
No, yeah, that's literally what's completely thrown me off, man. That we're right into that resistance. Like it's a very aggressive trade. Stop loss would be around 14 pipperoonies. If this 5 minute can just pull down a little bit more, I'll consider an aggressive retest entry. Yeah. The stop loss would be 13 pips at half risk from $500. I'm putting it in. I'm only half risk. I've just market executed half risk, so I'm only risking like 14 pips. I'm risking like 7 pips. I'm gonna look for it to have a potential run up. But if this 5 minute doesn't flip bullish, because this is the last 5 minute of the 15, I will manage. But I'm only half risk. Half risk. So
No.
yeah, I'm in, man. I market executed. Just half risk though. Nothing crazy. If we do break, this level and break above this, then I'll do the same and I'll enter in the rest of my position.
I'm in.
Blake splitting his profits 3 ways.
I just paid the membership once and then just bring people every week.
Charging on the door. Blake's got a sign outside his house. Free signals. Free trading signals.
I just ran a KFC and I spin around.
I was just about to say KFC. on
Don't talk
KFC
too
notice
bad.
board.
Don't talk too bad, people jump in the Zoom.
What we got there? We're sitting out quick $200, not bad. As soon as we grab this high, I'm gonna manage risk, which would be 10 pips at half risk.
Not me. Not
Push,
me.
motherfucker. All right, I just closed 50% there. I just closed $300 there, around a quick 11 pips,
Nice.
and the rest is going to break even.
Alright, legends, thanks for the week. Thanks for helping with my mental game and everything.
Easy,
I'm gonna
man.
go downstairs and everyone sounds like they're getting a bit rowdy.
Go get involved, man. Get involved.
I'll
That's it. Can we go?
see you guys in the Discord.
Nice one, man. Take it easy, man. See you soon.
See you, bud.
Did everyone get that? I took 50% here at like 15 pips.
I think I'm waiting until it's gonna close back
About
inside there. Right?
yeah, me too, man. Me too. Soon as we close above, I'll do the exact same again.
Yeah.
Took me out of break even a little bit.
Yeah, win. Good shit. YouTube fam, if you managed to catch that quick scalp, very quick $300 there, only 15 pips, half risk. Good job. The reason that I closed 50% and went break even is because this is the high that I mentioned when we were all the way down here that we could liquidate before then rolling over. So if this 5 minute flips bearish, I may even just take some shorts. Can you please show me how you calculate gold pips? Yes, sir. So if you just get your measuring tool, say you just want to measure this little move down. It says 240 pips. It's 240 gold pips, but it's 24 FX pips. But hey, there's a little $300. It's not bad on a little Friday afternoon on the last day of the month and quarter. Very quick scalp. I took 3 lots there. I only had $500 risk on that one.
Oh no. Sorry, I thought you said half. That's like 1/8.
Yeah, usually I trade 100 lots.
Jesus, what's going on?
I wish. If it closes above, then stop below 5 minutes. Yeah, absolutely. This is playing out to exactly what I mentioned so far. So we're following the plan very, very well. We've liquidated that 5 minute high, which is the high that we had to grab on the higher time frame before then having a rollover. And remember, although the 5 minute is pushing up, the hourly is incredibly bearish. So this was just a little quick play. I would have preferred to be in here, but I didn't get it that quick. So we took that little break of that high, that quick 5 minute, what was that? 15 pips. And as soon as we grab this 5 minute high, this is the high where I'm like, okay, cool. Maybe I'm now going to be able to flip short and take some shorts. That's the whole ideology behind this trade. That was just a little quick hedge myself up $300, so maybe I can risk that $300 to potentially take sales back down. But that's the reason I had to take profit there, because I'm keeping in mind that although we've bounced off this support, the hourly is incredibly bearish, and this hourly could be creating a top wick before then rolling over. Because you look at the hourly, bearish, retesting this support, and now we could potentially roll over. So if we just delete off everything, the very simple technicals right now is gold is just trapped in between these two levels, which is still, still a 30 pip range. It's still not a bad range to look to take some quick scalps in. And now I'll look to go short if we get a nice 5 minute break. Long on GJ. Oh, look at that. Very, very nice. Pushing back up. That 15 minute was probably juicy. Has that 15 minute. Oh, very, very nice. Who just spotted that? Shout out to Nick. Very nice. 15 minute is beautiful.
I think I've cracked this.
Still want a closure above. Get some nice volume here though. We get some very nice volume. Let me keep that on just to recap it later.
Well, that's my break-even run out the way.
You take a position?
Yeah, I took it off the break.
Good
So I
man.
had 11 pips.
Nice. Very nice. Good shit.
I know previously I get very nervous and scared of retests now. So I've taken it off my list, my rules.
Good.
So if I took that with you, although, as you say, although it would have been a good trade, it would have been a bad trade.
Yeah. Although you would have made money, it would have been bad money.
Yeah, but so I took a momentum and push. Fish push.
Good man. Very nice. Quick in out, nothing crazy. Quick 10, 15 pips. Very, very quick scalps. That's all you need. Especially in this. You don't. If you can catch moves like this, amazing. But you don't need to catch the whole move. You could just catch from here to here and make good returns. That tiny little move we just catched a minuscule move, a pathetic move, I'd say. But still, take a quick little couple of pippies out the market. Hey, can't complain. So YouTube fam, if you did catch that quick little scalp, drop a little like for the stream. We're not done just yet. I'm still looking for some more positions here.
Yeah, I'm not done yet. I got
5 minutes has to close above.
Time.
Yeah, me too, man. 5 minute closure above this level on GJ, and I'll go long, but only once we do that. Very nice little quick 15 pip scalp on gold, half risk with the guys on Zoom and the YouTube fam as well. Very, very nice way to end Friday. Sorry, I hate to be that guy.
Right? Don't hate us.
Don't hate me because you ain't.
Oh, exactly. Oh, you're looking on GJ. Did you say GJ?
Yeah.
EJ?
GJ, I'm waiting for a closure. How's EJ looking?
Meh. EJ's looking nicer.
Meh. Oh yeah, fuck that. See, even in that short, if we had taken that short there, 30 pips, we'd be out.
Yeah.
Most retail traders would have taken this short like this and trying to hold it all the way down to here. I'm not trying to catch these big moves in these markets. I'll take quick 25, 30 pips. Amazing.
And then Ben skis.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, do you know what I just realised? I haven't been on a golf course today.
Oh, I have. I just racked up some money.
Some dollar bills.
How do you manage these very quick scalps? It's all on a trade per trade basis. This was a very quick aggressive trade. This is the reason I only took half risk. And the reason I took profit so quick is because this was the high that I was talking about liquidating when we were trading all the way down here. So I would have liked to have been, maybe in above this high after we liquidated them lows, broke that high, and you would have got more like 30 pips there. But the reason I had to manage is because that was the level where we could grab and potentially go lower. Remember, the hourly is very, very bearish. But sometimes when we take scalps, the range is a lot bigger. So I always refer back to it because it's been the absolute trade of the month that we took on Zoom. This position on EJ, this range was a lot larger. So we wouldn't fully close the position here because the range is much bigger and we liquidated the lows in an overall uptrend. So in that scenario, you'll take some profit off there. You'll maybe take a little bit off there and you'll leave a runner up to there. But in this scenario on gold, it was very, very different. So my trade management differs from each trade setup. It all depends on the volume. It all depends on the market conditions, the levels that we could trade to. Overall trend on the hourly on gold is bearish. So, yeah, it's good, man. Could you do a quick scalp gold short right now? No, not yet. Not yet. Because look at that 15 minute. 15 minute is bounced off this support, respecting that resistance, so we could just range a little bit now. We've had an aggressive move down, quite a quick push back up. If you want to go short, then you need a nice strong volume candle to close before being able to do that. So not just yet. Obviously, YouTube guys, it was probably maybe too quick to be able to catch that position because I assume there's probably a couple of second lag on YouTube. But the whole ideology and the reasons behind the very quick scalp is what you want to get. If anyone took entries here, this would have actually been much nicer. Stops below that low, playing it up into that liquidity level. Very nice. Because we had that double bottom, we grabbed it, and if we did that first thing on into this 5 minute candle, then you have breaks above that high, looking to play it back up into these levels up here. So that to me would have been a better setup. But I didn't catch that setup, so I just took this one instead. And I had a retest entry like this.
On GJ, 30 minutes.
Oh yeah, very nice. As soon as we get a 5 minute closure here, I'm long in GJ. That's EJ. Bill, good shit, man. Yeah, as soon as the 5 minute closes on GJ above this level, I want to long that motherfucker. Long that motherfucker. Simon, how's it going, man? Good to have you on the stream. How am I feeling about 2023? 2023 has been fucking amazing so far, honestly, man. It's been a fantastic start to the year. Q1 has been amazing. March has been an incredible month. So I'm excited about Q2. Q2, we got Thailand trip as well, which I can't wait for. How many days we got now? How many days we got?
2 weeks, 6 days.
Oh, 19
No,
days.
3 weeks straight, is it?
Yeah, man, 19 days. 19 days till the Thailand trading retreat.
So we've got shorter time to go to Thailand than what we're spending up there.
Yeah, literally. That's why you just get a one-way ticket and stay out there forever.
Yeah, I just got the return just to show my family that I'm staying with them.
5 lots of 300. Bill, good shit, man. 300 just like that is very nice. It's very good, Bill. Good shit, man. I'm going to be trading for the month on demo, and if I get 78% profitable, I'll get a fund account. Yeah, good shit, man. Just focus on that consistency and make sure you're hitting the targets of what the funding firms require before you go ahead and buy one.
Don't do an all-out. Right then, GJ.
Yeah,
That's
how long we got? Buying every prop firm out there.
Yeah. I really don't know why I always pick the terrible ones.
I think
I get funded and then something happens and then nothing fixes it.
a lot of retails would have just got fucked on GJ trying to short that. A lot. Anyone trying to short that on GJ after that 5-minute rejection, stopped straight back out. This is why, and this is very important. Although I'm trading the 5-minute, I'm not actually trading the 5-minute. I'm trading the 15-minute confluence because the 5 minutes are a very manipulated time frame. GJ can come back down. I'll consider it. How long am I going to be in Thailand? About 5 weeks. 5 weeks I'm going to be there for, which reminds me I need to sort out my visa tomorrow. Aaron, are there many people doing prop challenges with you, man? Yeah, Simon, loads. I think majority in the middle of prop firms. Someone just got funded this week, which is amazing. A lot of people are doing prop firms, man. Prop firms are the way to go. We've got to milk them prop firms. Take as much money out of them as we can. Next one for me will be E8, which I'm going to be doing. I'm going to buy a challenge to do in Thailand with the boys. We're going to be trading it live with the boys. I'll be there for the Zoom calls. Yeah, Antonio, it'd be great to have you, man. Pleasure to have you, man. Welcome anytime. Look at that. That TP on gold was absolute perfection.
Yeah.
Absolute perfection. As soon as we liquidated that high, that's where we could reverse lower. And it was mainly based off a 15-minute high. So grab the previous 15-minute high, potential to have a drive lower. Ash is in the building. Ash, what time do you call this?
Yeah.
What time do you call this, Ash?
Sorry, Lewis.
Simon, I'm gonna go for E8. I want to give E8 a try. They've just come out with that new rule that the challenge has 60 days for phase 1 and then 120 for phase 2. So I want to try that out. I want to see what their spreads are like, see what the broker's like.
What are they called?
E8.
E8.
Yeah. They've been around for a good while now. They're not just like another dodgy pop-up one. From what I've heard pretty good things, but I want to try them out for myself first. I'll be here most of the time just chilling, not tickling them out worst day. Nice, Ash, nice.
Yeah. I believe you do it first. I don't know. Our friends in 10 days, so I don't know. The next 50 days, 0 commissions on indices and commodities.
Nice.
Get funded now with the best commission. 0 million.
Oh, Ash just said commissions on indices are outrageous on E8.
Are they?
My Forex funds remains the best. Yeah, I've heard very good things about them as well.
What's the price ranges on the challenges? Is it like
Good question.
how much are they?
I feel like E8 and MFF are pretty similar. Let's have a look.
MFF are like $450 per.
Is that for 50?
100?
100, yeah, that's not bad.
I think they're one of the cheapest in the industry, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, definitely.
Nice.
What, E8?
No,
my
my
Forex.
Forex funds.
Yeah. Let's see. So my Forex funds for 100k is $749. I assume that's USD. How much is 100k on E8? 100k on E8 is 588. So they're cheaper. They got longer time. Sounds good on paper, but they need to be tested.
You know, test them in 10 days and let me know, and then I'll get there.
All right, man. Well, they use E8 as their broker, so E8 are a good broker. So yeah, it's just commissions. I assume the spreads will be pretty good. I'm not sure, but can you get a trial account in EA? Maybe it's worth just open up a trial account just to have a little play around, see what the dashboard's like. Aaron, what do you aim for, risk to reward or win rate? Both, Simon. I try and go for a minimum when I'm intraday trading, like 1 to 2 risk to reward and a 70 to 80% win rate. Been funded with E8 for 7 months. Their quality, spreads and commissions are both good in FX. Most important, they pay out. Yeah, nice. There you go. Someone's been funded for 7 months. That's very good to know.
Okay, for 7 months.
That's very good.
Well done, bud.
Yeah, very good.
Huge.
Oh, look at that 30 close on GJ.
Yeah, close above. That 15 minute is disgusting.
Yeah, it's gross, man. It's gross. I've had payouts from them. They're sound. Nice, Ash. Ash had payouts from E8 as well. Morning, mate. Missed your live.
Just E8, though.
Yeah, Ash. Which prop firms are you with at the minute, Ash? But managed a good trade. Hope everyone did. Valentino, yeah, thank you, man. We caught a very minor, just a very quick scalp on gold. That's it so far this morning. I missed the gold shorts. I just wasn't on the laptop yet. But gold had a fucking, excuse my French, had a textbook sell here, like this. Boom. After liquidating them highs, solid 5-minute bearish candle, retest, boom. This is the exact setup, YouTube fam, from the trade that is pinned at the top of the chat. Literally the exact same setup. I just unfortunately wasn't on the charts yet. I was late to the party today.
With one of those, because they look so good, you don't really need to see anything else. Like just one bear candle and then that's it.
Yeah, on a like this, when it closes that bearish and engulfs the entire thing and breaks back below the resistance, honestly, that's enough for me to want to short it.
Anything and you want to get it, right?
Yeah,
fair enough. And
knowing that down here we hadn't grabbed any lows before a potential push up, so we had lots of liquidity. We had a double bottom sitting down here as well, so it was in an overall range. And the way that we always trade the ranges is very, very simple, and it's really fucking clean. Is whenever price does, so this is literally what gold was doing, like this.
Yeah.
So whenever it does this, if we grab the highs, amazing, I'm short all the way down into the lows, and vice versa.
Like a typical gold thing to do. I'm not used to gold, but
yeah, always, man. Gold loves it. Gold loves them stop hunts and the 5-minute engulfings. It's so clean. It's actually done it a few times around here as well. Like even there, bullish, incredibly bearish, back below. How many pips did you get after that bearish close? 40 pips. So it's very, very nice. Like this one was a lot messier, so we wouldn't have taken this one because of the wicks. But this one, the fact that it closed so bearish and broke back below this little resistance and gave a little retest, yeah, amazing. That was nice. You could have even shorted like below the 5-minute low and had stops above there.
Yeah.
And then boom, really nice drive.
Boom, bada bing.
When you test it, can you give me a quick review? Yes, I will do, man. I will do.
You know how I mentioned the other day, Fortune's funding?
Yes.
They're actually like $50 cheaper than my Forex funds, and they're like on paper they look a lot better.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, like maximum trading days is like 40 days. No minimum trading days if you're like over leveraging, but like
yeah,
if you're in he's got like a Discord group and he does some pretty decent what do you call it? Not like giveaways, but like discounts on it, so you get a the last one I saw was like a 92-8 profit split. And
Yeah.
It was like 10-15% off or something. So it's,
Yeah, nice. I might have a look into it.
I'll send it to you.
Yeah, thanks, man. I'll check it out. What were you going to say, Luke? Go on, mate.
Yeah, I did actually get an entry on gold, and then you're like, yeah, not yet.
Oh, no.
Well, I'm in anyways, but
Oh, did you hold?
yeah, no, I on that one candle that broke.
That one?
1, 2, 3 candles ago.
Oh, you took a short round here.
Yeah.
Oh,
so,
nice.
Yeah, so I did end up getting an entry off of the
That
down.
one? Yeah, nice. It's 16 pips.
16 pips, so.
It's good, man. It's good.
It was a half, like a half one, but
That was good.
I've taken off 80% already.
Yeah, good, man. Very nice.
And and as well in the afternoon, like when I've already traded, I don't really feel like I want to get on too much either.
Yeah. You caught a nice Asia play, right?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Was it on, what was it on? Was it on GJ or was it on gold?
It was on gold. It was like the first one I punched out.
Was it around here? It was this one, right? This pump.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it was
Okay.
that was my re-entry. No,
Lower? Like here?
no, higher actually. It was after the candle close. Yeah, so it was on the doji. That was pretty much the entry candle.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. No, sorry, a bit higher.
Oh, above this one?
No, I entered after the close of that candle that you're on now. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, nice. That was, 30 pips?
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Never gets old.
Another good thing with E8 is they increase your max drawdown 1% every time you take a withdrawal up to 14%. Oh, holy shit, I did not know that. That's very good. You can go from 8% drawdown to 14. Oh shit, that's very good. I did not know that.
This one's 20 pips now. Right now.
20 pips, very nice, man. Very nice.
Have you taken any partials or anything?
Yeah, I have. I've actually taken off 80% already.
Good man. Good man.
I think I might just close the whole thing out at 1971.7. That's.
I mean,
breaks there.
30 minutes looking fucking beautiful. So is the hourly. Yeah, hourly could have a really nice drive low up. It's looking very nice, man. If you're looking for the cheapest firm, then Smart Prop Trader. Man, there's so many prop firms these days. Let me take a look.
When's the FWA prop firm gonna come up on?
2024. We're not gonna have a prop firm. We're gonna have a trading floor.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No trading.
All making bank. We're gonna kick Kit out of warehouse. Get some couches. Yeah, it'd be fucking sick, man. It'd be amazing. I've seen other people do like trading floors before, but it's just like boring office shit. Someone needs to do something cool. No one wants to go sit in a fucking office being a trader. But make like kitting out a warehouse, like if I can get a little coffee shop in there, like couches, you got your desks, the screens. Fucking be sick, man.
Come on, fellas.
Here he is.
Hey.
Let's go, man. How's that Thailand life?
Quite good.
Good, man.
Good.
Is it
Standard master.
is it really hot there?
Yeah, it's far.
Yeah, nice.
It's far. It's not like Australia hot. It's weird. I don't like it, honestly. Like sticky
Yeah.
and just so humid.
You need to either be in aircon all the time or be fucking swimming in the sea or in a swimming pool.
Yeah, the aircons are permanently going in my room.
Yeah.
I come in and it's just like freezing.
How many trades do you take per day, per week? What's the portion of scalp versus swings? Trades per day, sometimes 1 to 2, sometimes none. This week I've only taken like 4 trades. Some other weeks I may take like 3 positions in one day, sometime maybe 1, sometime none. It all varies on the markets, but I'm typically averaging, I'd say, 1 to 2 a day. Luke, you got a nice drive there. Beautiful, beautiful, man. 30 pips.
I think I'm targeting 1971. But you just like to hold on, forever.
I hold to the moon. I hold a little partial to the moon.
Fair enough.
But this was lovely. Literally grabbed that 5-minute high, exactly as we explained, and drive straight down lower.
It barely closed outside of that range as well. That's why I kind of like that one. Yeah, respected that resistance really well. If the 5-minute, like this one, had closed with a nice body, I would have taken this one for sure. The one you caught was perfect. Really, for you?
Not really, only because like we were still. To be fair, after that one, I should have probably taken that, but only because we broke above quite strongly and then doji. I kind of would have wanted just a little confirmation back below, but I mean. Yeah. In terms of the 15-minute is still bearish, so the 5-minute shouldn't be like a high confluence time frame. But yeah, it was quite bullish, but overall trend was down, so it definitely made sense. You had a nice little double bottom there you could have shorted into as well. Whenever you put in risk, I do, but see we can't. Like 1 to 2 to 3% risk. All depends on the markets, all depends on the potential pips of the trade and how quick of a scalp it's going to be, or if it's more of an intraday trade where I'll catch like maybe 40-50 pips. When did you first become profitable? Took me about a year and a half, 2 years to become profitable. I didn't make any money for the first year and a half, 2 years in trading, not a single fucking penny. So it was a slow grind. It wasn't a glamorous grind, that's for sure. Fucking hell, it wasn't.
I'm still going through my grind.
At least you got us though. When you're doing it on your own, it's fucking depressing, honestly.
Yeah.
It's not all sunshine and rainbows. It's not all popping champagnes in the club.
No, I like this 15-minute on gold. This closes like this.
I was literally just about to say, if we can spike up that, I would consider breaks of the low.
But 15-minute hasn't got that top wick though. That's the only thing. That's like you just said. Take that out.
Yeah, to be fair, that's a nice spot actually, because the 15-minute breaks this level. Then look how key this level is, and you get a retest, and you probably get a drive back down into here, which would be 40 pips. Amazing.
How many?
About 50, 40, 50. You'd probably be shorting it down into like maybe like here, I'd say. Something like that. 30, 40.
I like how tight the spreads are with my challenger.
They're tight, yeah.
Yeah.
They're using E8 as well, right? EA? Sorry, 8 cap.
Yeah.
8 cap.
What's your spread on gold, Adam?
Like 1.7, 1.6.
That's good. I got 1.5, 1.3, 1.6, 2.
What is it now? Well, spread is 13, so what's that? 1.3, 1.2.
Yeah. That's very good for a prop firm. That's very good.
It's good. It gives you another like bit of confidence. Like, okay, cool. You know,
yeah.
If the spreads are like 3-4 pips, it's like, for fuck's sake.
Have you got students that become profitable in 3 to 6 months? 3 to 6 months, definitely not profitable, but definitely more consistent. Profitable, they would have to answer to themselves, but 3 to 6 months, it depends if they have trading experience before as well. But in terms of progression, people progress in the first fucking couple of weeks, honestly. They don't come overnight full-time traders though, that's for sure. That comes with time. But 100% people progress very, very quick when we do this live every day.
Just copy the signals, they will become profitable in the business.
Yeah, if you just want to take just the signals, you would have made bank, especially this month.
Yeah.
I think we've had like maybe 1 or 2 losses this month. It's been a fucking fantastic month. It's been my best month of the year for sure. But the main thing I'm more stoked about is the way that we're all seeing the exact same shit. That's what I love. We're seeing the exact same setups, so we're all in sync, seeing the exact same things, taking the exact same shit. It's amazing. That's the level that we want to get to. I don't want to create signal followers. I want to create self-sufficient traders that don't need me anymore, but are in the community just because they love the community and love chatting to people and trading live and making money together and living life. And that's what the whole community is about.
DJ is really going at it, eh? Holy crap.
Oh shit. Look at that 5 minute though. Holy fuck. Oh, if I may add the break above retest. Alright. Aled, where was the signal? Why didn't you spot it?
Look at my chart from previously.
It was the...
Looking at gold.
Yeah.
I've seen it, you know. That's just disgusting.
20 pips.
Oh, it is there. Look at this. The updated version.
Where is it? Let me see. Oh yeah, fucking clean.
You monkey's uncle.
TP2 on GJ Bill, good shit, man. Very, very nice. Actually broke above that level that we gave on the YouTube stream, retested and pushed beautifully. Anyone who was able to catch that, even if you took the breaker that high, there, amazing. Well, if you took the breaker that high, beautiful. You just smacked 20 pips. Probably come and grab these highs, milk out 25. Very, very nice. Broke, retested, boom.
If it keeps on going like this, I like it even more.
Facts. Ever since I started watching these YouTube lives, I've only been making more sense to me. So imagine being on the Zooms every day, it'd be insane. Yeah, absolutely, man. I don't think there's anything more valuable than watching someone trade live every day.
166 on the daily on GJ.
Yeah.
You got it.
You copying my levels again. Can't make it up. I can't catch a break in my own community. Ali's still trying to copy me.
Oh my god. Well, that's only a good thing, right?
Broke, looking for bugs and retest.
That proves that YouTube. I've been in the community since day dot.
Yeah.
And I'm seeing the exact same levels as Aaron now, so.
Ala's been in the community since day
it's like
one.
No one's close, eh? Is there anyone else that's like close to being in there as long as you have?
Lewis?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Lewis.
Okay.
There is a few others.
Yeah.
But they might.
I've seen these videos where you're like, you're making a video. And I think it's you and Elliot on the Zoom.
Aaron slipped into my DMs on Instagram. And he said, hello, sir.
Want to buy my signals?
$50. You give me $50, I turn it into 500. Okay.
And the rest is history.
I actually thought Aaron was a scammer in the beginning.
Yeah, Alan was sending me audio saying, prove to me you're not a scammer. And
yeah.
I wasn't even selling anything at the time. I was traveling and trading, doing my own thing. I didn't even have a paid community.
I was sending him hate.
Yeah, I was like, who the fuck do you think you are? I'm not even trying to sell you shit.
Yeah, and like,
I remember that.
basically, yeah, Aaron hasn't got rid of me yet.
Yeah, he's still trying to find a way to kick Alan out of the community, but here we are.
Yeah. I remember we used to chop stuff, but no, we didn't used to chop stuff. Okay, Aaron didn't. I used to like speak about that Jamie guy.
Oh yeah.
So I was like, yeah.
So that's the only reason trading got so big in the UK, because it was full of fucking clowns selling free access to Telegram groups if you join their bullshit brokers.
Mm.
And that was the biggest like trading scam in the UK, I think.
Yeah, I can't remember how many people. I'm sure he had like 700 on.
Yeah,
in
it's
his
stupid,
Telegram.
man.
And it was like 50. Was it 50 or 75 quid a month?
Yeah, fucking.
700 people. I know, Pete. It's disgusting.
HS Tiki Toki. It's just started. Dude. Yeah, I seen that dude's a fucking clown.
Shut up. That's not a name, is it?
Yeah, some fucking shit like that. Yeah.
Oh dear Lord. He's got a name like that, you know he's a scammer.
You just look at his fucking profile, you know he's a scammer. How anyone thinks, yeah, I'm gonna take financial fucking advice from this fucking guy, I have no idea. But because he drives a rent. If you rent a Lambo in Dubai, you can sell anything. Sell wool to a sheep, you can. If you rent a Lambo in Dubai. They make you do a one-lot trade for 4 minutes on a £300 account to ensure they get their commission. That's fucking insane, man. So bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking they're scumbags.
Into my broker is £350.
Yeah, that's what it used to be in the UK. Was it $350 you had to put in?
Yeah. So, back in the day. Yeah, no, was it 3 years now, I think? 3 years. Was it 3 years March, I think it was, and then I was like gearing up to go to hospital. So
yeah.
When I first started talking to Aaron, I was an alcoholic because it was COVID.
Yeah.
And I was watching YouTube. No, that's what it was. I was watching YouTube and I came across you on Instagram. And I was like, okay, this guy isn't trying to sell me anything. Why?
Why not? Sell me something.
Yeah, I was like, why? No, basically, that was it. And I was like, God, and we were sending voice notes after voice notes, eh?
Yeah. I was just getting ready to upsell you on something one day. I knew it was coming. I was like, he'll convert one day.
Yeah, I'll get him. But I was also lucky, right? You know, and I guess I did take advantage of it, basically, in the beginning, because I was just spamming him, guys. I was just spamming him. Like, I was sending him charts after charts. Like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, I was back testing. I was saying, what do you think of this? What do you think of that? You know, and
I always replied.
Many people.
I always replied.
Like, and he still does. So.
Yeah, 3 years later, I'm still replying.
Yeah. You know, it's just do it now if you're gonna learn and everything. Not take advantage of him, but I know that's a bit extreme. But
nah, it's true though. I know what you mean.
Make it worthwhile, especially the guys in the community. Look, there's 16 of us now in here now, right? Live. Whoever's in the community now.
Yeah.
Use Ireland's knowledge. Like it's.
I used to do Zoom calls like this with like 1 and 2 people on them, and I still would show up and do them every day.
Yeah.
Not every day, but we don't do them as much as we do now. But I would still always do Zooms, even with like 1 person joining.
Yeah, it's because there's going to be a time where the community is just huge, right? And
we're going to take
you
over.
won't have time to go through every single one.
No, I won't.
Yeah, when you take over, you know, and it's but that's not it's not a bad thing. It's like if it's like, you know, not a simple question, but a question that I can help. This is where I feel comfortable that I can answer it, you know, in the community.
Definitely, I agree. I don't think we would ever have a different answer to pretty much most trading questions, because you've had to go through all the bullshit as well, and all of the trading struggles. Yeah. Every time we would say don't do this or don't do that. So it's only until you actually do it and learn from yourself that you realised how to actually learn from it?
Yeah, you would message back, "Oh, I wouldn't do that, man. I'm already in."
That's me today. I wouldn't go in here. I'm in already.
But, you know, it paid off today, for sure.
That's right.
Yeah.
You know, but there'll be other times that it won't, and this is where journaling for me now. It's just like I read back on the weekend, like on the Monday morning for sure. I go back and I read my comments, and the good and the negative ones, you know, the good and the bad. And
Let me just get my charger,
try not
guys.
to
2
make,
secs.
Yeah, the same mistake, you know. That's been it's definitely been a long road. How long have you been trading?
Started learning or reading kind of was October 2021.
Okay. COVID.
Nah, just after.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, I know a guy in person. I'm not gonna say his name, but like a pretty big brokerage. I know the guy in person.
Yeah.
So it's piqued my interest really, and
Okay, that's cool.
and then I started demo trading in like January or so. So I just read about it first for a while.
Yeah.
And then I had a mutual friend from a guy I work with, and he was like, he started.
YouTube fam, that's it for me for now. I'm gonna stay on with the guys in the community for a little bit longer, but that's pretty much it for me now. There was a bang and drop on gold, unfortunately happened before I was able to jump on the charts. However, we still scalped like a quick 14 pips on gold, half risk, nothing crazy, but it was good to take a quick $300 out of the markets. Pretty much for now on gold is just gonna play around within this range, so I'm not going to really watch gold now until that USD news later. So I'm going to go off the charts now, come back in like 2 hours and maybe see if we can catch anything else. But if you guys did enjoy today's stream, I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. Remember, drop a little like. I do the streams on YouTube every Wednesday and every Friday, so I hope to see you guys on the next one. If you made money on them quick scalps, then I hope you guys made money, and still, even if you just took value from the stream, it's a pleasure to be able to jump on these and give lots of just live value for you guys. Even if we just don't take any trades, just sit here and chat, we always share great value. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe. Remember, it's the last day of the month and quarter, so don't give anything back, don't go too crazy, and I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I will see you all next Wednesday. Peace.